In this video, you will learn how to set up and install the stack switch fixture from Lithonia Lighting. The stack switch ships in a compact carton that is easy to open and break down. The driver box will come wired to the housing. However, it will need to be mounted to the channel on the back of the fixture. To get ready for installation, select your desired lumens and color temperature on the driver box. Insert the driver box into the slots on the back of the stack center channel. Now you're ready to install. Before you start installation, make sure you have turned the power off at the breaker and you're wearing the appropriate personal protective equipment. Now, remove the ceiling tile from the grid and position the stack switch fixture into the T-grid ceiling. Be sure that the fixture is properly seated in the grid. Attach all 4 T-bar clips to the grid ceiling. Make all electrical connections according to local code. And that's it! You're now ready to enjoy the benefits of the stack switchable lay-in.